Hi guys, Todd from Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to talk about the difference between manual and automatic machines. One of the key factors in purchasing either a manual or an automatic machine is budgeting. Both machines work the same using air, but controlling them involves different methods. Manual vapor blasting systems requires the user to control the variables such as temperature and air pressure for blasting. The stored water is heated up using unique heating device and transferred to the nozzle. Further, it requires the operator to be proactive in making sure the machine is working more efficiently. This method reduces the machine's price since the machine is built more straightforward and has fewer electrical parts. Still, it is much more efficient than traditional methods such as parts washing or sandblasting. On the other hand, the automatic vapor blasters are growing in popularity due to their ease of use and operation. These systems are similar to a CNC machine and rely on the user's specific parameters to be set before starting. The machine will then control the variables, which means you can be doing other jobs while the machine is automatically blasting the part. The automatic system will run itself until you cancel the cleaning cycle or until the cleaning cycle is complete. Automatic systems come in a variety of setups and can be changed to fit your individual needs. For example, you may need robotics to control the blasting gun, or you may want to use one of our Gladiator or Titan type machines where you load part onto a rotating turntable and hit the cycle button to blast your parts automatically. Although automated systems are more suited for larger cleaning objects, there are no need for expensive machines when it comes to a manual blasting for small parts. Using a simple approach with a manual system will get you to where you need to be efficiently and blast your parts quickly and in an easy manner. Your other option would be to actually hire someone to actually blast parts for you. If you only need, for example, a set of parts to be processed, then hiring someone would be a good idea where you can hire a machine from a local company and save the money. If you're going to be doing this on a continuous basis, you'd be better off to look into purchasing your own machine. You should also ensure that the machine comes with a good warranty so that if anything goes wrong, you won't have to pay too much to have it fixed or replaced. An extended warranty or lifetime warranty also indicates that the machine is built well and reliable. Now, let's talk about how we can help you find the perfect vapor honing machine. And remember, don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And give us a call if you have any questions at 828-202-5563, extension 108.